Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Take out your SST textbook. Take out page number 19. Today we will start a topic that how we have to calculate the distance on a map. Basically, there are two different type of methods by which we can calculate the distance on a map. First one is measuring distance in a straight line. So there are different places on the map or different lines on the map which are straight. So how we can calculate the distance on such type of straight lines? Point 1 is to measure the distance between 2 points on a map. For example, this is 1 point, this is second point. Place a paper strip between them. Place the ruler on the graphic scale with 0 at one end. For example, you can use a paper strip or ruler. As you can see, this person is holding a ruler or scale, or this is he is using a paper strip. So this is one point, this is other point. At the other tick, the distance to be calculated. For example, the distance from one point to another point will be 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers. So it is very easily for us to calculate the distance on such type of straight line. You can use a ruler to measure the length between 2 points. Now this is paper strip. Now if we keep a scale on this paper strip, we will be easily calculate the distance on the map. This is one method and it is the easiest method. Second is measuring distance of curved lines. Okay, not all the lines on the map are straight. For example, as you can see, this is not a straight line. This is a curve. Some are curved to show winding road or river. For example, if a road is having a curve like this, or it is round or twisted, so it will also look like a curve on the map. It will not be look like a straight line on the map. So the way to measure them is different. For example, for straight line we use a scale. So what we will use for the curve line? Take a string. Hold one end of it firmly. Firmly means strongly against your beginning point. Press the string gently. Gently means softly, and move it along the curved line with your finger until you reach the end point. Use a pencil to make a mark on the string at the end point. For example, this is a string. You have to curve this string. Like curve this string and place it on the curved line on the map. Now take the pencil and mark one point. For example, this is 1 point, and the distance you are going to calculate is at this point. Now you have to mark on the string with a pencil like this. Hold the string straight against the line scale or a ruler and measure the length between one end of the string to the mark you made. Convert the length by using the scale of the map to get the actual distance on land. For example, you have marked this point that this is the distance. Now again, as you have curved the string, so it will not easy for you to calculate the distance. So again you have to straight that string. Again you have to straight the string like this, and you have to place a ruler on it, and where you have marked with the pencil, you have to calculate the distance. So what will be given on the map, like a distance in kilometers, inches, etc., centimeters. So you have to calculate the distance like this. So we have studied two methods. First one is straight, which is very easily by using a ruler, and second one is curve by using any string. First you have to curve the string, mark the point, again you have to straight the string and place the ruler on the string, and you have to calculate the distance. Now open your workbook. Okay, on page number 14, here is a task for you. Measure the distance using a map scale. Like there are some areas and you are given with the key scale. For example, you have to measure the distance in inches. As we have mentioned here, 1 inch is equal to 10 miles. So you have to calculate the distance like this. So first one is river, town and airport. I have done first two for you, and you have to do the last four. Like I will show you the method that how you can calculate this. This is your scale. This is inch. So as we have to calculate the distance in inch, so we will use this side. If we are given that we have to calculate the distance in centimeter, so then we will use this side. But we are going to calculate the distance in inches, so we will use the other side. Okay, first one is between river, town and airport. As you can see, this is 2. Okay, so between river, town and airport, this is approximately 2.5 inches. So as 1 inch is equal to 10 miles, 2 inches will be 20 miles, and 2.5 means 2.5 inches will be 25 miles. Second is mountain, town and forest. Look at this now. Mountain, town and forest. It is approximately 1.5. It is from 0 to 1.5. So as 1 inch is equal to 10 miles, so 1.5 inches will be 15 miles. So you have to calculate rest of the 4 like this by using the scale, but not the centimeter side. Use the inch side. Okay, now open next page, page number 15. The 3 methods of showing scales on a map given below. Identify each and write its 2 main characteristics. For example, these are different type of 3 methods which we have studied in our previous lecture: graphic method and verbal method and fractional. You have to write the heading that which type of these methods are or scales are, and you have to write some main points from your textbook. Okay, take the help from your textbook. You have to write, for example, this is graphic method, this is verbal method and fractional method. So you have to write the heading. This is like fractional method. You have to write the heading and write some 2 or 3 points for this. And next question is, what are the different steps needed to measure distance along curves? As we have studied now that what are the 5 steps needed to measure the distance along curves. So you have to write these 5 steps from your textbooks. Like open your textbook and write the 5 steps here. Okay, this is your task for today, and this is I think this is clear to you, and this is enough for today. Thank you so very much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.